Different types of pliers. Wire strip. No electrician worth his salary will be caught dead without a good set of wire strippers. Some also include threaded bolt cutters for 6 to 32 and 8 to 32 screws. Locking pliers work well for clamping down on things, especially during those times when having both hands free is helpful. Lineman plier. Side cutting and combination pliers are a type of pliers used by linemen, electrician, and other tradesmen primarily for gripping, twisting, bending, and cutting wire. Water pump pliers, also known as stong and groove pliers, operate on the same principles as the slip joints. In fact, you might consider them a subset of that category rather than an entirely separate one. Ironworker plier grip extends beyond plier handle to provide an air pocket that increases your general comfort, plus it includes extended ribs to help maintain control by minimizing travel up the plier handle. Needle nose plier. These types of pliers work well for more delicate tasks or jobs that need to be done in smaller spaces, bending wires, holding fittings, placing fasteners, and even cutting. Diagonal cutting pliers, especially those with angled heads, are typically adept at getting into tight spaces to make small snips and cuts. Flexible hose clamp plier. You really need several different hose clamp pliers to cover everything you can run into. However, the best hose clamp pliers we've come across have to be the RS71100 flexible hose clamp plier. Twin rib pliers. Knipex twin rib pliers claim status as the industry's first 5 adjustment push-button slip joint pliers.